Hi, everyone. So you are getting ready to write an enduring issues essay. It's been a little while since we've done one, so I just wanted to review some of the key points on how you should get ready and how you should think about the essay. So you are going to get 5 documents in your document set. And the first thing you're going to do is read through them and try to annotate those documents for understanding. So you want to ask yourself, where is it taking place? What time period is it discussing? And in one sentence, what's the document about? You want to understand the main idea of the source and also the context so that you can accurately connect it to the other documents. As you're reading your sources, you also want to try to identify potential enduring issues that you see in them. So before you start reading your sources, you might find it helpful to review our top 10 enduring issues that are posted on Classroom. Okay, you're then going to have 5 body paragraphs. The first will be an introduction. Okay, so in your introduction, you should be naming the issue, you need to define it, you need to name the civilizations and the time period, but please do not name the actual documents. So we should not see the phrases in these sources or sources 1, 2, and 3 are about. That's not what we want. Discuss civilizations. The documents are simply giving you evidence about those civilizations. Okay? And then you're going to state how successful they actually were. So, in terms of a formulaic way, we have talked about simply taking the prompt and changing it, taking out the very vague words and making them more specific. Okay? And so, this would be a model for you. It's not the issue or the civilizations you should use in this essay, but it is a model for something you might want to look at. Okay? Okay, then it comes to a body paragraph. Remember, we want to name the issue, we want to prove it's an issue, and then explain why it matters. Okay, so some ideas you might want to include are here on the screen. Remember, you might not get all of this in every single paragraph. You just want to make sure you have lots of evidence from both the source and outside information, and also provide analysis that connects all of those together. So if you want to look at this more thoroughly, please feel free to pause the video and take a closer look. Okay. And then finally, in your conclusion is where you want to tie everything together. Okay, so you're going to restate your thesis, remind the reader of what they were supposed to get out of your essay, and then connect those civilizations together by explaining whether things changed or stayed the same over time. Okay, so how do you do that? In your conclusion, you should try to answer one of these questions. Have people gotten more successful at addressing this issue? Has the issue itself changed at all? Have civilizations changed their approaches to the issue? Try to really tie everything together to make a strong argument that shows that that issue endured across time. Remember, you'll be using 3 documents, right? So 3 civilizations. You'll have an introduction, 3 body paragraphs, each focusing on one civilization, and then a conclusion. Thanks, everybody. Good luck.